silver sea, over the coastline, calling me where the sun pours gold on the water below. I find my heart in the ebb and flow. Carry me high where the wild winds move, over the edge of the endless blue. With every wave, with every view, I come alive beside the blue. Far through the headlands, the long beaches shine. Driftwood and daylight are keeping the time. Cloud shadows wander on turquoise and stone, but out in this beauty I'm never alone. Every breath the ocean gives feels like all the